Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can protect an Excel file or an Excel worksheet by a password. To do that, once you have finished editing your Excel file, click on File, select Info or click on Info section. From here, Protect Workbook, click with the right button of the mouse and select Encrypt with a password. We'll go ahead. And here we will have to set up an initial password. Once done, make sure that your password is set when setting it up, and be aware that it's case sensitive. We'll click OK. We will re-enter again our password, and it has to match with the first one, and we'll click OK. So here it says confirmation password is not identical, so we'll just go ahead and click cancel if we have done the mistake, and then redo the operation again. Click again OK, re-enter the same password and click OK. Now it has been protected, so I will go back to my file and I can go ahead and click save, and on the next time when you try to open your file, it will request a password for opening the file. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.